If your editing feels slow, it's probably not your laptop, it's your workflow. The most editors try to edit faster by clicking quicker, but professionals edit faster by deciding smarter. In this video, I will show you 3 workflow changes that can instantly improve your editing skill without reducing video quality. Here's exactly step what will be covered in this video. First, I will show you a small setting that instantly removes timeline lag. Second, I will show you how professional editors handle effects and revisions using a smarter layer system. And third, the most important, I will show you the structured editing method pro use to finish projects faster without burnout. Section 1. Remove lag instantly. The first mistake most editors make editing is on full preview. When you keep playback resolution at full, your system is currently rendering every frame in high details even while you are just cutting. That's unnecessary. Go to playback resolution and reduce to it half or quarter. This only affects on preview quality, not the video quality. The professional editors never editing on full preview resolution. It's set to always half or quarter. Section 2. Smart effects system. Now let's talk about effects. If you are adding color correction, blur or even any other effect clip by clip individually, you are creating slow revision. Instead, use a adjustment layer above the clip. Now add your effects on adjustment layer. Everything below it follows. If client want changes, you adjust just one layer, not 30 clips. And one more benefit, if your timeline lags so much, you can just disable this adjustment layer. After disable, your timeline will be smoothly work. Section 3. Structure editing method. The most editor mix everything. They cut clips, add music, change order, add effects, delete effects, rearrange again. That's create only confusion. So here's the professional method. Phase 1. Rough cut only. Focus only on cutting mistake and arranging clips. No music, no color, no effect. Phase 2. Lock the structure. Once flow feel right, stop changing clip order. Then add your text and overlay. Phase 3. If you want to apply zoom in and zoom out effect, add a separate adjustment layer for just transformation like zoom in, zoom out. If you want to add many effects, use a separate adjustment layer. But after adding effects, your timeline so lag, you can disable it. If you want to add color grade, use a separate adjustment layer. To avoid timeline lag, disable all the adjustment layer at once. Phase 4. Add music. Music should support structure, not create it. So after explaining all the details, let's recap. First, lower your preview resolution. Second, use adjustment layer for smarter revisions. Third, use structure for your editing into phases. Editing faster isn't about clicking faster. It's about removing frictions from your editing. After completing all these steps, clean workflow with natural speed. If this video helped you, hit like button. Comment the mistake which are you always making in your editing, and subscribe this channel if you want to more professional editing system. See you in the next one.